Welcome to the Nurtec DieCast Ramp Racing Series. Here is your lineup for Race 2 of Season 1. Starting off, we have the 18 of Kyle Busch, the 11 of Denny Hamlin, the 19 of Martin Truex Jr., and the 99 of Daniel Suárez. Here they come. Hamlin with the early lead. Oh, but he's steering toward the wall. Hamlin and Suárez crash. Suárez gets his nose across the line and beats 3 Joe Gibbs racing cars to move on to the next round. Next up, we have the 5 of Kyle Larson, the 52 of Josh Bilicki, the 12 of Ryan Blaney, and the 17 of Chris Buescher. Here they come. Buescher with the early lead. What happened to Kyle Larson? Buescher into the wall, and he's going to get hit across the line by Ryan Blaney. Wow. Now, what happened to Kyle Larson? Oh, the right front tire gets off the track and he goes into the wall. Wow. Next up, we have the 10 of Aric Almirola, the 34 of Michael McDowell, the 6 of Ryan Newman, and the 47 of Ricky Stenhouse Jr. Here they come. McDowell, Newman, and Stenhouse neck and neck. Oh, but Stenhouse goes into the wall and everybody's loose coming across the line, but Ryan Newman edges out Michael McDowell. Next up, we have the 24 of William Byron, the 88 of Matt Crafton, the 20 of Christopher Bell, and the 48 of Alex Bowman. Here they come. Crafton with the early lead. Oh, but he's going to go into the wall. Oh, a hard crash. Very close finish at the line. Who got it? Here's our photo finish cam, and Crafton, by about the length of his spoiler, is going to edge out Christopher Bell. Next up, we have the 4 of Kevin Harvick, the 22 of Joey Logano, the 66 of Timmy Hill, and the 38 of Anthony Alfredo. Here they come. Harvick and Alfredo neck and neck out front. Alfredo's going to go into the wall. Harvick hits hard, and a very close finish again. We're going to have to take another look at that one. Another look at it confirms Harvick by about a fender is going to get the win over Timmy Hill. Next up, we have the 3 of Austin Dillon, the 42 of Ross Chastain, the 7 of Corey LaJoie, and the 15 of James Davison. Here they come. They're all neck and neck as they come toward the line. Davison in the wall. He's out of it. LaJoie gets spun, but still wins the race sideways. Next up is the 21 of Matt DiBenedetto, the 33 of Austin Cindric, the 14 of Chase Briscoe, and the 41 of Cole Custer. Here they come. DiBenedetto out front. No challenge from anybody. Matt DiBenedetto gets an easy victory. Next up is the 37 of Ryan Preece, the 1 of Kurt Busch, the 00 of Quin Houff, and the 16 of AJ Allmendinger. Here they come. Preece and Houff nosing out front. Houff gets turned by Kurt Busch and a very close finish at the line. Oh my goodness. Well, you can't get much closer than this. Quin Houff just barely looks like getting the fender out in front and winning the race. This is going to stand for a while as the closest finish in NDRRS history. Wow. Next up, we have the 9 of Chase Elliott, the 77 of Justin Haley, the 51 of Cody Ware, and the 2 of Brad Keselowski. Here they come. Haley out front. Oh, looks like he just put Cody Ware in the wall. Ware is spinning. Haley, no challenge from anybody. He will win. Next up is the 78 of BJ McLeod, the 23 of Darrell Wallace Jr., and the 43 of Erik Jones. Here they come. McLeod with the early lead. Oh, he gets spun out by the 43. It's a drag race to the line. Erik Jones is going to steal the win. Next up, we have the 96 of Ty Dillon, Race 1 winner, number 8, Tyler Reddick, and the 53 of Joey Gase. Here they come. Ty Dillon nosing out front. Oh, he hits Tyler Reddick. Contact is made. Everybody's spinning into the wall. Who's going to win it? Tyler Reddick backs across the line and avoids elimination in round 1. Well, that's it for round 1. These drivers have punched their ticket into round number 2. Starting off, we have the 21 of Matt DiBenedetto, the 7 of Corey LaJoie, and the 4 of Kevin Harvick. Here they come. LaJoie and Harvick neck and neck for the lead. Oh, but they both spin into the wall. That is going to give the win to Matt DiBenedetto. Next up is the 99 of Daniel Suárez, the 8 of Tyler Reddick, and the 43 of Erik Jones. Here they come. Suárez with the lead. He gets into Tyler Reddick. Reddick and Jones are going to spin out. Tyler Reddick, the defending race winner, does not even get to the semifinals, and Suárez will win. Next up is the 6 of Ryan Newman, the 88 of Matt Crafton, and the 17 of Chris Buescher. Here they come. Buescher out in the lead. Crafton takes a big jump on the transition. Buescher in the wall, but still wins the race. Here's another look at this. Watch Matt Crafton as he comes into the frame, just takes a huge jump in the transition and then spins out. Next up, we have the 00 of Quin Houff and the 77 of Justin Haley. Here they come. Houff has his nose out front, but he's heading for the wall. So is Haley. Haley hits the wall, but still spins across the line to win. Well, that's it for round number 2. These drivers have moved on into the semifinals. Our first semifinal matchup is the 77 of Justin Haley and the 21 of Matt DiBenedetto. Here they come. Haley with his nose out front. They're both heading for the wall. Did Justin Haley cross? We'll have to take another look at it to make sure. Here they come to the line. This is really close. Right there. Justin Haley has his nose across the line. He will win. Our last semifinal matchup is a rematch of the Race 1 third place matchup. It's Daniel Suárez in the 99 and Chris Buescher in the 17. Here they come. Suárez has the lead. He's heading for the wall, though. Impacts the wall. Buescher is going to take the win away. Now our third place matchup. It's the 99 of Daniel Suárez versus the 21 of Matt DiBenedetto. Here they come. For third place, they're neck and neck. DiBenedetto nosing out front. Contact made, and DiBenedetto is going to get third place. Here it is, the championship matchup, Haley and Buescher in a best-of-3 match to determine the Race 2 winner. Here they come. Haley has his nose out front. Oh, there might have been a little contact. Haley spins to the inside. Buescher is going to win round 1. Here they come. They're neck and neck. Oh, Haley spins out again in the transition. Chris Buescher is going to be a Race 2 winner. Congratulations to Chris Buescher on winning race number 2. Here's a look at the podium. Chris Buescher, obviously the winner. Justin Haley coming in second, and Matt DiBenedetto getting third.